Welcome to Innovision, where we explore the cutting edge of tomorrow's technology today. Discover these 10 fascinating personalized nutrition techs changing our future. #13D Printed Personalized Foods. Eat food specifically designed for your body. 3D food printing technology will enable customized foods with tailored nutrient content based on your individual health needs. These foods can be printed in any shape, size, or nutrient composition, ensuring that every meal supports your health goals. Number 2, genetic-based meal frequency. Eat at the right times based on your genes. Personalized meal frequency recommendations will be made based on an individual's genetic makeup and metabolism. Genetics will determine optimal meal times, helping regulate hunger hormones and improve metabolism, resulting in more efficient digestion and energy use. Number 3, Biofeedback-Integrated Diet Plans. Adjust your diet based on your body's response. Biofeedback systems will analyze how your body reacts to different foods and adjust meal plans in real time. These systems will help individuals optimize their diet based on factors like stress, blood sugar, and energy levels, creating a dynamic approach to nutrition. #4 Personalized Hydration Plans. Hydrate in a way that works for you. Personal hydration plans will be created based on activity levels, climate, and health data, optimizing water intake. These plans will help you understand how much water you need to drink and when, improving energy levels, mental clarity, and overall well-being. #5 Allergy-Free Tailored Nutrition. Say goodbye to food allergies. Personalized nutrition will help design diets that avoid allergens while ensuring proper nutrition. With DNA allergy testing, personalized meal plans can be created that prevent allergic reactions and offer safe alternatives to common allergens. #6 AI-powered genetic weight loss. Lose weight based on your genes. AI will analyze your genetic data to create a personalized weight loss plan based on your unique metabolism and body composition. AI will take into account your genetic predispositions, ensuring that the weight loss program is more efficient and sustainable. Number 7, Biohacking Nutrition. Hack your body for ultimate performance. Personalized nutrition will be used for biohacking, optimizing mental and physical performance with targeted diets and supplements. Through tracking biomarkers and experimenting with diet, people will enhance their cognitive function, athletic abilities, and overall longevity. Number 8, Nutrigenomics for disease prevention. Prevent diseases with a personalized diet. Nutrigenomics will use genetic data to predict and prevent diseases through targeted diet and lifestyle adjustments. By understanding how specific nutrients interact with genes, personalized nutrition plans will help individuals avoid certain diseases, such as diabetes or heart disease. Number 9, Epigenetic Diets. Change your genes with your diet. Epigenetic-based diets will influence gene expression through food choices, optimizing health, and reducing disease risk. These diets will involve consuming foods that promote the expression of beneficial genes while suppressing harmful ones. #10 Personalized Metabolism Boosters. Increase your metabolism with food. Personalized meal plans and supplements will be designed to boost individual metabolism rates based on genetic data. By understanding how your body processes food and burns energy, tailored nutrition will help improve fat burning and overall metabolism. And that's our glimpse into the future of personalized nutrition tech for today. If you found this interesting, remember to hit that subscribe button. This is Innovision, where we're always looking ahead to what's next in technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.